Yes, it's true that Zurvita Zeal for Life has made better health simpler than ever. This great tasting drink is becoming the favorite beverage of thousands every month. Getting vitality through nutrition is as simple as drinking your favorite beverage. We all know how rewarding it is to help people, especially when you can help them diminish their level of anxiety, anger, and hostility, while at the same time achieving a more positive mood and giving them more vigor and vitality with an active lifestyle. We at Zurvita are passionate about helping people.
We've got a product and an opportunity that is changing lives, so that is my goal, is to change as many lives as possible.
We're also passionate about the rewards that the Zurvita opportunity has for those who work with Zurvita on its mission of changing people's lives for the better. What if you could live your dream and it was all about helping people? The numerous benefits of great tasting Zeal are backed by clinical studies from KGK, an independent third-party clinical study company. When people switch to Zeal as their favorite beverage, they receive the benefits and you get paid. You have helped them make nutrition simple and rewarding.
When we saw those people getting results and getting excited and what it was doing, and we couldn't stop talking about it.
Being able to go out there and affect people's lives and their health, also financially as well.
I've never seen so many people be able to do something part-time and actually generate more income part-time than they are at their full-time jobs.
By getting just 3 preferred customers, you can get your product for free. Zurvita has a car program that will pay you an extra bonus to brand your success. There's also a team bonus plan that allows you to earn thousands a week in extra bonuses, as well as building a residual income that can generate financial independence.
When we got that first check, I'm like, I'm getting paid to do this. Like, I can do this.
Many people start part-time, but it doesn't have to stay that way, as many turn this into a career and vehicle to create financial freedom. People are returning home to spend more time with their families. Zurvita is about families helping other families.
My goal is to eventually gear away from hotel management and stop making money for other people.
If you build this business together with your family, it brings you together. You do it together. You rise together. You're a channel of blessing for many people. Because of this business, I was able to make money at the same time that I had my heart surgery and be able to pay it off in full.
The company is on the move. In 2011, we hit $3.6 million in revenues. 2012, $15 million. 2013, $60 million. 2014, $69 million. 2015, $80 million. And in 2016, we're projected to exceed over $100 million. Zurvita is built on 3 founding principles: honor and glorify God by how we treat people, develop humble leadership that is willing to serve, create a company where people can win in life at every level. Come help us change one life at a time, because everybody needs to believe they matter. Zurvita, a higher way of life.